Hi, everybody. So this is my first workshop, and we're going to train a simple image classifier. And basically, it's a tool that's gonna help you how to tell you what it is. So the machine is gonna tell you what it is. And the best part is that you're just gonna use a browser. You don't need anything fancy. It's just gonna be you and your browser. If you can organize your own data, you can teach the AI to do anything. You can recognize styles, classify dog breeds, detect recycling, help with languages, and you can teach your own AI to classify. So by the end of this session, you'll know what classification is, how it works, and you train your own model using an online tool called Kaggle. And before we start, I want to introduce myself. Hello, everybody. My name is Garcia Cortez. I'm a full stack software engineer, passionate about community building and emerging technologies using AI. And yeah, so first, what's AI? It's a very fancy word. It means artificial intelligence. It's teaching computers to learn from data and making decisions or predictions. And also another tool what we're going to be using is FastAI. FastAI is likely a toolkit that helps building apps fast and without having to write a ton of code. And also, what's classification? Classification, it's means a computer learns examples and predicts which the category it is or belongs to. One example can be dog and a cat. What's a dog and a cat? If your spam or not spam email, or even what type of plan you have. So I know it will take a little bit to understand Kaggle. It can be tricky, but I'm gonna copy paste this link and you can follow along. So this is a very simple model that you can create and you can pick anything you want. We're gonna be using DuckDuckGo for searching images. We have to be kind of specific with the things that we want to search because if we put, I don't know, something that's not really what it is, it's not gonna give you the right thing. So you have to be specific. And the goal is to compare a beaver with a platypus. And the reason why I picked these two animals is because they're very alike, and it can be tricky to distinguish both of them. But first, you're gonna search using DuckDuckGo, and this is a library that helps search kind of like Google code, and it's gonna give us the link of the beaver, and then after we get the picture of the URL, it's gonna download it, and we're gonna get it. We're gonna call it beaver image, and here we're gonna now with FastAI Vision, we're gonna use it, do a thumbnail, and we're gonna print it so we can see the image of that specific search that we did. So now you're gonna get another uh, download, and we're gonna search for another image, and this is gonna be a platypus animal photos. So we're doing the same thing, and we're opening the specific platypus image that we download. So here is just going through many images, a beaver and platypus. Also here is doing a path of those images. And it's gonna try to see with photos with I can be like photos and of many shades to distinguish the pictures of beavers and the photos. And in case something fails, the URL doesn't work or our image is not loading, it's gonna kick it out and it's gonna remove it from that specific path. So we don't have any anything that failed. It's doing a data block, so it's kind of like categorizing and fixing. I don't know why this is doing this one, but I'm gonna go to the other one. So it's cleaning the images, and okay, here it's better. So a data block defines and construct data sets for machine learning models, and it fits them into training and validation sets. And we're gonna be using ResNet. Also uses ResNet. It's a good to recognize images and also helps with training many images and pre-trains them. So this is what it's doing. It's I just trying to like implement the code. And here's training the image fine tune to make it more precise of predicting what's the percentage of that's a beaver, and the percentages is 1%, so it's 100%. And yeah, I know it's something really quick to understand and very tricky, but if you have any questions of how this works, I'm really happy to help you with walking through this, and we can work one-on-one, and I can help you with training your own model. And here's my LinkedIn, my email, and I'm really happy to be with designing your own classifier imager with Kaggle.